Ibe bolo the classroom. A classroom mo yo ure ar thole ini fry saguri free yun. Ini fry saguri free yun. Room ko aro janala doroja una hon. Hamo bichu solar. Bodhisaria school of Chendian, Frivaga finishing with free. You know the Kujurapachi, Jura was a Tikuridiva, it was all of the Bidrinitum Siriu.
It was a Buddha said we all should
Chendian Flash Hatch,
listen to the
room,
quiet and
the
you
Bagiaga,
hear the flow.
the Vio
And move ahead
Surguribak,
in river.
which is the Bidris,
So listen to the flow of the universe.
Letrino say any finishing book. Ditio classroom mo, finishing solar. Ditio yo Raibaga says sir.
In the space
Chindi yan bayro yi
between your thoughts
yan che kuno plaster kuri
and
bakya.
in the notes between my notes, there lies,
Ya nara finishing diobo, nara ham solibu,
there lies
nara da urendi udon rede ya kan, siribu, nara ham solibu. मसला को अच्छा से का मिला ना अति सरमो उरेदी
let
हाजे
your
योन
mind
और प्लास्टर हाजे
be
प्लास्टिक हाजे बारा गए सेनो हाजे बात से हम सुनो चेरो मतलब
and
सोलना लगा हम आपका कुरान देखा जाते हैं
so goes that old
ये लगा स्कूल में भी लेते हैं रूम इनियो फिनिशिंग दिया वो हम सोले
quiet and considerate, joy-filled silence. There's no way of explaining it, not even through science. Let your mind be open to everything and attached to nothing. So goes that old Zen saying. listen to the quiet and you hear the flow. You can't move ahead when you're in reverse. So listen to the flow of the universe. You can't move ahead when you're in reverse. So listen to the flow of the universe.